Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to study the rules by which we can remember the kanjis well. Please note that the derivations used here are created for the sole purpose of remembering the kanjis and does not translate to any other meaning. The first three rules that we study are: number 1, kanji expresses meaning. Any kanji, for example, this or anything, it has a meaning to it. The second is same outline is equal to same meaning, which means if two different kanjis, they have almost similar outline, like in this case this portion and this kanji has the same outline, that means it has a similar kind of meaning. That is how you can derive the meaning of the kanji. The third is pictures turned into kanji. So if you imagine a picture and then you can just convert it into kanji. That is solely based upon imagination. So let's begin. The first part, kanji expresses meaning. Okay, we have this kanji. Let us zoom it. So, if you imagine this part as a 3 in Japanese is called ki, and the kanji that we have here is this. Next, the bottom part, it refers to onna, that is a woman. Onna. Then you can imagine this kanji to be a lady who is standing near the tree, and the portion, this can be considered as a decoration on the lady's head, or a crown that she is wearing. Decoration in Japanese is kazari. So let us imagine a Japanese woman, a crown, standing near the tree, or let us say that means it is beautiful and cherry blossoms are beautiful. So this kanji expresses the meaning of cherry blossom or sakura. So this is how we can know the meaning of the sentence. Now let's move on to the second part. Here it says same outline is equal to the same meaning. It means that the meaning belonging to the same category are expressed in the same form. Now we have two examples here. The first example, this kanji is it represents the color blue, or called ao in Japanese. Here let us study a trick on how to remember this kanji. Here we need to remember this portion. This represents Suki or moon, and this kanji represents something that is born, but we do not have this portion here, this portion. But let us consider something that is born out of the moon and that is colored as blue. So this is how we can remember the kanji for the color blue. That is something which is born out of moon. But note it, remember, this is not a kanji for like something to be born. The kanji where which means something is born is this. It is just for our memory, we try to remember it in this way. Now let's move on to the second part, this one. here the first one, this represents the sun or he, sun, and as we know the other portion represents blue. So if we consider a day as sunny, then the sky is blue, right, and the sun is up above shining very bright. So this means hare. This kanji means hare or fine weather, clear weather. So this is how we can remember the kanji which hare and aoi. So if you look at these two kanjis, since they are almost similar, they have the same outline, that is the meaning are almost similar, or one meaning derives the next meaning. This is the second rule in remembering the kanjis. The third rule is pictures are turned into kanji. Let us consider this as a rice field. Have you seen a rice field? It is, here we have the cultivation of rice, and in between we have the roads to move around for watering and for other related purposes. So if you convert this, you can find this kanji, right? Just convert it into a 2D form and your imagination into 3D. So this is how you can also remember the kanji. The pictures, just remember or imagine a picture and then convert into a kanji, or just see the kanji, use your imagination to give it a form and a shape with some meaning, and this is how you can remember the kanji. Now let us have a look at some more examples for all these three rules that we have. For the first part, kanji expresses meaning. Let us have a look at the kanji called kotoba. Kotoba means words, and the kanji for kotoba is this. Now, how do we remember this? Kotoba means something which we say, right? The words which we speak from our mouth. Now, how to remember this is, just look at the first part, this one. This part means, which is called kuchi, and this kanji represents mouth. Now let us use our imagination. Just imagine when we try to speak, we use our tongue. So this is a part of the kanji. The second part is again the mouth, the other kanji, which means itsutsu, that is 5, the number 5. So this kanji on top of our mouth means we speak 5 times more. That is, this is our mouth and tongue. Again, with our mouth we speak 5 times more, and when we speak very more, that is the words or the sentences, that is kotoba or words. Similarly, we have another similar kanji, this one. So from this kanji we can use both of our rules, that is, it expresses meaning and it has same outline is equal to same meaning. The kanji we studied earlier was kotoba or words. So both are almost similar. So here we can apply both rules 1 and 2. And here, if we have a look, this portion we have already studied, this portion we have studied, and this portion, it translates to this. This means sen or 1000. That is, when we speak 1,000 words, we can make a story, right? So 1000, this kanji represents a story or hanashi. This is the kanji that we have. So for this kanji, we can use both the rules 1 and rule 2. For more examples on rule number 2 and rule number 3, I will prepare another video which will be uploaded after this video and on the same day. So stay tuned. The link of the continued video will be provided in the description box. So thank you and have a good day.